Abusuya ajeta ewa endre nyimre Kansalutrot etutuja ejano yensa ekrabi ne kraye na peja ye de akweche still aye bebro ejane yensa ekrab Kansalutrot etutuja ama odobroni atuja ama odobroni. I don't know the Kansalutrot no odobroni or personal vendetta bidia because what to be ama odobroni papa we go akoti Kansalutrot bansa ne be kono subscribe like it turn on post notifications maybe I'll share link na some mobile. And so about be young good thing come away. Na baby answer your fair. Or until like a channel subscribe and turn on post notifications and I'm kind of young cocotte, Kansalutrot and some are on the go. Now into us.
This is the moment. So somebody tell the spokesperson of Ebusuapanyin boy. Ebusuapanyin akwada na esi yesie lumba. Ewa East Legon. Mon kan chen se mi video ni ensaka. Mene mon ka say na panyin bi asene message se opramacho. Mi wi amembra na the video no akọ police headquarters enti hwehwemu amaka o radio so no omo otu ho na mo me de me catch them say I realize that a screen recording is going on. That is why I keep repeating myself so that obi antwetwa nsi enkoka betie me Ebusuapanyin ejawusu elder ejawusu mesrew ewo video Muse musuon kan na yanko hwe sampa se usie lumba mu wo East Legon la asase so ye be yam bia ma wano men fan say threats because me to me nyamade enhye wani but asase be kasa me say then asase bekasa na me twa to aba wo so aka bi no odobroni tie me pa me kai say yes lumba na Ebusuapanyin ka kire yen say lumba atro won nsam asie mu say owu a yen kata nanim odobroni tie me pa do presila ahuri ata tie me pa nkwala na ma me tie me pa obi amre mama wo yire tie me pa tie me odobro ni tie me ye nyina ye te senti no ye ni so ade hu ni se lumba na dwemu ado enti wa ye nsamase wa ye de akoto omai koto kese na se daachi bi oda ni benkum so a ya kenkan odobro no ka se ye koto ye si bibi ani wo Hone ye hu se empolumba ka se munsie ni fia ifa no kan ifa no tro no Ebusuapanyin chimbe ka kire yen se wanka sada mukai wasi wanka sada se lumba tro woni mi wem na lumba ka kire ne mba na lumba be ka kire ne mba onka ncha ko se wafosu lumba be ka kire ne mba se owu a yen kata ne ni onka ncha ko se wafosu no kura bi be pie men cheho baby amedi esi abna ni ha obia ewo 1 minute question contribution etimi mo akonya ye start fiase men on mute ho me shase pe abna ni ha ene malanko menam anko ya me yu so pa ene ba boa se me di duamo be ochi once you are near both the Casansono, you want some mention commoners. Who are when you are both you so don't brawling crop for Bahami, Mamma Quaba, and yatem the dear make us say Mindu Biatem. May the trust and their casa. Bible say ma okwasiemu aye. I want in Quasia your one twin say or Yansa. Trust and Proverbs 26 verse 5. Make an Exodus chapter 22 verse 22. Say, shed na one di okunani bone, and na one ye a jankabi bone, and also trust them na mekaye. And na enknasasi so amamreni amanian so na mi di mun common. And in common bedi and any diabodi mabobi pa, midin suya bodua. Messi a dear be a few suma obi din trafa kosha se wahu, any lumba wa dear who be ano, or read namfin suma entrano. Say onumun sua and so entrano, so offense so in so memno o dware nsuo memma ne hu fi onu nsuo memma ne widie mu engina ensuo nkasa asase so ma piti so gu asase so me di so ni fi manum ana wa hu yeah
Me agree o.
ma yi so fi manum e de gu asase so se obi a obeti asase so wodi akoso se watem bia no asase mmem no obi sisa na ase nnuano ma ne ho no memma ni wu da oka no kura wie na ne furu dua na obre na oka ne num kura wie a na ya dwensi be kum da ache basisi ade ne busuan be boka sike bia waje a wabu anu bi obe koyare sabia sa ne ho to no da akoso ase wa sori anopa no ya ebe duabo e wasasi so sakoso ase wa trase na enisuo kitwa pofi na ni asese to from say mawu e ka asase a enkrofo na nanom bewu obi asoma won so mkoka no wa ase kasa ni enko ye sha se before mo call nintam mabie enkrofo wo
yo meda se wakase pi na nyame so nhira ho ne edwuma amobo ma ya de na mami akosua case medi echiresa to de bi me sorokra na me yemu de me say show hwe mami bra wa bre so nye mami no so lumba mu a enka ebusua panyi anase oprega enka wonya bibi baby kura emfa ne nansi na mami ya wose wo da
madam ni din di oprega we fro do broni ana
oh me sorry you dey say ya miti yo odo broni na say enye mami na so lumbe mu a enka menye sure so odo broni kranko benya baby diniti ato ne mami ne busuafo e wose nka mami no wo mo da na sepa wa be sabi wa be di obi kunu echi obi kunachi mami ti abrochire bra obre ye nyina yete ha enye izemaye mami bre to de bi kra mitimi su me hwe mami ya na asam ya memobo ni kunawu ye wanhu ni kunani mpo anka babae ye hu bebi ye di efunu no ato ni nua so bae ya mana mehwe ni nua bema na ebusua panyi hwe nimguase a womudi egu lumba yesie ne tese akokɔ enti media medi wachi me supporto pa se efunu no bebia yesie ni bia no omnkotu efunu no na obi bia nso a wodi mami atam no nyame betua wo moka ne wo masefo because mami no wa bre pa mami no mami akosua Mrs akosua fosu wa bre papa wa brepa no nti de bia me kuto a me bompa ya maame ne say maame ne enya de ohwehwe no awrade mu ye kwan ma no na de wo se maame ne nsaka bia maame ne nsanka fisasa bi Ghana fo bi no mpe no kore wo mo mpe no kore kra wo mo mpe so mbetie no kore wo mo nim sa ade na ewo ho no no kore nso so ne edi maame atem na media eto so a me pese me busa se ya mo kasa mu nkotu eyi no was mo ye sure say oprega ne nkrofo o mo nkoye bibi wo fie wa ansana me nda media me feel say ekwan wa nti se nka mutimi ya no as soon as possible la nka ye na wo so girl no so no eyi odo bronya wo say o mo ma ne fifie ho oni right cross out na say efie ho oni right because I mama ne sweat nti bibi biara wo say ayi mama akosua ne saka bia wo say wo mode ne japade ma no because wa bre
mama eda se
nti bia me to kafra betimi atam
ami shira okra mon kai say miss catch am say adwuma ayeye no ye to data wa akoma pa be so to bi no ato na ma no me de ato ho 0546 single life tro na ma no 0546 0546 279 344 0546 279 344 single life trona man ma wo abene ni ha 0546 279 344 sana lo me bia fa to data bia fa bra one fam ban so a me wo data me de be show yanko
Mesra no be.
obi fo from bra bi oni yanko yes next yanko in 10 1 minute yanko
Hey, it's my turn. Okay, I'm gonna speak English, please. Oh, Sir Chancellor was speaking English, and all of you were fine.
sister go you are eating to your own time.
Okay,
Don't
please
mind.
let me speak. Let me speak. Chancellor, I want to say thank you so much for the way you have been fighting for Mami Akosua Fosu.
Thank
The
you.
reason why I say that is I remember when this first began, and I wasn't a TikTok person. I think I had like 30 people on my TikTok because just family and friends, small family and friends. And I remember just opening this up and seeing what was going on and thinking, oh my God, what's happening to this woman? And then coming across one of your videos where you're talking about ordinance marriage and everything else. And I just, from that day, I felt empowered because I can see a man actually understanding the core principles and the core values. And that really empowered me to think, okay, although I have a specific role and I don't do TikTok, I have to speak up. If you can speak up, then I have to speak up. And so I just want to say you were the beginning of my journey. I felt a lot of sympathy, but didn't really know how to engage in this discussion and this debate. So may God bless you. And I just really want to say everything you have said, I'm in full support of it. There is no way that, we can allow something like this to be normalized. There is no way. The dangerous thing that is setting is allowing people to think they can, essentially they can do anything to you. And then when you die, if they have some kind of influence, then they can cover it up. And I think if this is Akosua Sewa today, but can you imagine how many other people this could impact and affect? So I just want to say thank you to you and everybody else that has been supporting Mrs. Akosua Sewa. I think you know me because I messaged, for your program, when you had your program, I did something. So I will top you up again.
I know people very well when they send me money to buy data. So send money. I like money.
No, I have before for your program, so I know. So you know me. You know me.
Do another one, my dear.
Okay.
Another one. The time is up. 0546.
I think it's the same one, right? It was the same one you did for Christmas.
Yes, the same number.
It's the same number. It doesn't.
Yes.
So it's saved. I've got it saved. Then I also have you on WhatsApp. I messaged you separately. But
send me a message. Thank you.
I will.
Keep praying for Mrs. Akosua.
I will.
Nothing will happen
Bye-bye.
to her. Next, let's go next. Young content 1 minute to be a Canadian. Mrs. Akosua will be a Yamisha. Young calling them. Next.
Councillor, good evening. No. Say my mommy we kwa busua ne kula da na say one begu papa we anima say wa fam mine no. Any nitifi ne na wo. Enti ade omo ye maame no they should think. Nana gamanche. Nana yesra ofa wo na si fom. Efri na ko East Legondan ho kofo dom ho. East Legondan ho no. Peso jesifo gu ho akosi Saturday ne beso. Ente saa o metimi atu di akoba bi foforo o metu na nadwo because that the lumba fia yes camera eni honom no ehu mutimi se na nadwo no mutu ya papa bi kan yo so mo say ye fe ne say AC enkrofo we hu ohu daddy nana gamanche nana yesraw efri na ekoi penkrofo monitor area ho entemo ho prenkrofo monitor ho enkosi se memenda ne beso na yentu ade na afa kotu ba bi foforo na ekire yasa de abehye ho na mungun sanfre po engun sanfre na nanom e wo fie ho nom ansakura na sabi ye dru fie ho biko ade a o maye no ehu papa ika said that lumba ya o mesi da bi o na nti omo ware nkrata ware a papa we nku a mekwohwe Germany fo ne ma no papa we nku antimi nya wo no abeka se mi wu a monkata manim mekwa busuani nim matipaye councilor adwuma na mo be ye ne die hwe ye tamochi de se bise ye de koye kroma asante ye nya obi anka bia ni ya dia banka na nkras enka gamanche se obeka na nyame hyira wo nkwa so na dana me de nyame ahese asantefo kono manku bi because me ku bi anka me sesi fom pa councilor Manuesi.
That's it. Next single life. That's
hello.
Next.
Well, good evening. Yeah, that was it.
Right. Me too, humami. Because I'm not any hanami maunjina has what with a yanko. Ko. Yanko.
Me blame that was you. Nyami shira. Onyo kese. Onto kwa nem. Oma wa kukudro. Anya mwake nyina nyami manimrem. Na yesira mo facility for nko gumantem go. Na bushia panyin ni odobro ni. Omo aye nyamo ho nsem. Ya, se ni mo ya. Na yesie nipa wo fie. Na yesie nipa wo fie ya bra. Mra na ba se na yesie nipa wo fie na anyemfo kura no se bi ya twasie ya omusi anyemfo. Na wo ko sie nipa nti okoji permission free nkra hene wa na so okoji free wan wa. Odobro ni abusua panyina ti masie bi dihye. Awia bi dihye sie. Nti ya bla ne wo ye bia no ye de mpaibo tai wachi. Ye nisa kukoduro nokre wo ka nokra bitu waduro enyam. Wo twa kontompa ni bi bodua enyam. Otu waduro enyam. Na nokre de da ho ye nkodi kontompa achi. Aya me wonwa pa se Ghana fo bi ni sabe. Nokre nie ni kontompo nie ni wo ye yin kontompo adi achire ni obedi tiska kakra obedi ene ne mpanyifo kaaye Bible kura ka se sika ni bre wo edo wu afa ntu obedi sika ni bre che ko jiska aka ne wunim adi mami ye yatem bi oni ni kuna bone bra na mu gire odi na tenso obepe japade odobro ni no bepe japade na mami no bepe japade odobro ni beluba abre no be panya na odo be panya na obunia ano be bon kofie na wiase nokra ye nkanti no na tambia ye de nokra ni ye de awonam ye ntime nka nokra na maami ye odobro ni di dwanto bia koma na onye no odobro ni mama me hwe ye na anye ba kokora ahwe no na se maami je odobro ni ba hwe na ye be ye demonstration create ya maami no nokra ni ye ka no nti maami no hwe no wo ye odobro ni hu odi dwanto koma ni be bia ontie sabo onyawo no nka wo nwene ne senkyira wo nti odobro ni nyamaame no obeka nti na nwene ne sen akire no sabi onya akra se maami ya bakra ka ese wo kotokoto maami pa na chew ka maami pa bo akra odobro no popa so aka ense yo so ko fi o sa maid ukodi maid no maid so ko fa ayi madam kunu ne no wa o ne madam betwe amanso twi wo busuafo nyina goguo nti me bra ne wo ye no yeso ye bo wachi dom yesra mo nkrafo de mo aka ye nisam beye me wa akra ne ntikwa benya nti ye nisam beye pa nkrafo de ye bo mo achi dom beye nti be bia obusua panyini ne odobro ni difuri na ko bia mo ntwe omo abo so ni mo nkotu funu no na obusua panyini mfafuri ni ko malumba abusua ade odobro ni ade akura so yesa akura bonu abenyira ye panyim bone me brama no asi kakra me so me kan no
Musme dasi.
Okay.
Next.
Counselor, nyame shira wo ewo ejuma pa wo ye na me no me kase asem we no it has extended beyond family no anase se bi emana ewo mumu no a national issue didn't make us a national issue nipa na omokoso omosanai ekoto aba eyin panyimfo no almost any nipa na asam to oma and panyimfo ntimi nka say we dey obi fiasem because ye hwe yen a ye social media ye dey a platform de kan ho asam na ye pepe bi ye pese da ho I'm not fight I know man say wa go hair Mami wa queen fritete ene nyame ekwana bedu sabre but eye dachi asemunti o eye dachi asemunti na emankofo eni abra ye pese sansisa ade bi na omode ato ho no esesa maame no ade e wose ye de ma no ebu e wose de ma no pepepe ya e wose de ma no as a legal wife of that lumba no de ma no but it seems some people doesn't understand it but me munu say nyame wom Now no one say and then no raise voice way a channel raise voice way. I know the cancer what's the beginning pa a do maybe I know why you ding a do maybe so no was album. I know it's the work of God and yes so you didn't pay about air time with you. I wish you could pin the number or honum near support it and I'm many as well just say I was saying oh yeah peacefully because a few days ago
No violence.
yes
No violence.
yes because a few days ago a guy be from
We're waiting for Ghana police.
thank God.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm so happy for that.
Go to the station.
Exactly.
We are
Yeah.
going.
Yeah. The
We will not
right
do anything.
channel. Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
Nobody
I'm
can-
happy for that. I'm happy for that. Because do you know why? Do you know why I'm saying that? There's this guy, a blogger for Dobroni, a few days ago was inciting some Ga people to kind of riot against the celebration of life. And I say you don't have sense because countries now are more bang and you know more Africa now. And yes, I know marketing we say as some manieba. And because of lies, what our platform say you are instigating a riot against BB. And I'm so happy for Kavana Lawrence. I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name well, but he stepped in and honestly in Kani, honestly didn't Kasabe yeah, Kami will be down. Say nobody will start that. Moko Gamancha so accept it. And Councillor, God bless you for this. God bless you for your platform. And I believe say media in sooner to go from them say so their generations are Jesus beba. Omo din tra na so omo de maame ne fa ya omo no asema ya ka bia no omo generation sa akopem say Jesus sa be sane nanim onyama bebiem because this is not fair in any shape or form. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting us as well. So the number is the 0546-279-344. Okana okwa na yefe. One kwa mi ame si untem. Yen ko next ko 0546-279-344. Kitwe bi enswa. Ye
Ti ochami woni masem kasana na wasumo oteye sema ekogu ye kasoro to atatubi wakasa nti yedase so be share ye fa dwon chefa bra comment section na mo na like na subscribe to channel no na community na engro macro na me share enche